Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Wednesday, March 16, 2022. We are now talking at 9:46 p.m. in the evening after markets have closed. The US markets are open and the SGX Nifty is almost roaring like a lion. It's up approximately 300 points from the closing price at 3:30 p.m. We closed at somewhere around 16,970 approximately, and the SGX suggests that the Nifty is now at 17,270, 300 points up. Now, don't go by the SGX Nifty because so many things can happen overnight in the US markets, in the Indian markets. In the morning, the markets can be different, the SGX can be different, but clearly there is a stunning uptrend, at least so far as we can see. I have been saying that we are in a short-term uptrend and we should be going long. Now, yesterday the markets had a dip. This is normal. This doesn't mean that the view has changed. It simply means that in an ongoing uptrend, there will be days when the market falls. After all, every day the market will not go up, and sometimes it's not easy to identify the day on which it will fall. Sometimes we try, sometimes we don't try. If it falls, it falls. Today, even despite the gap up, my view was that we should be looking to buy, and the markets did nothing for the most part of the day, but they did not fall. That itself told us that the gap is being sustained, it is being held, and we should be long in the market. If you were long, then by the market's close, the Nifty had gone up nicely, and of course, if you are long, then this overnight gap could be very beneficial and helpful. My point is simply this. When the market trend is up, we should be on the long side of the market. This is not rocket science, it's common sense. And yet, it is so difficult to follow. You know, for the last many months, we have been used to the fact that the markets go up, you start selling and you make money. Now, suddenly that seems to be changing. The markets go up, you sell, and then the markets go up again the next day, on many days. So, there is a change of situation and we should accept it. In any case, being long is always wiser because you are going with the primary trend of the market. So what is the view for tomorrow and for the next few days? If there is a large gap up tomorrow, I do not know how much more rally we can see during the day. So perhaps, and then tomorrow is also F&O settlement for the week. So perhaps if you are long, you may then start considering taking profits slowly and steadily. Depends on how the markets behave. If you are a positional trader, then also I would feel that after these two large gap ups, it makes sense to take partial profits. Keep your positions, tighten the stops. You can put the stop to today's high. That's about 16,970 or 980. You'll have to check exactly what it is. Or you can put the stop tomorrow morning's first 15-minute low, maintain that stop loss, take profits on part of your positions, and let the market carry on with the rest. Remember, Friday is a holiday, there's a long weekend. So the view is that so far as the market tells us stay long, we will stay long. The market has to literally kick us out and say, okay, now this is a loss, you are not staying long anymore. We don't mind that. Because if it kicks us out, still we make a reasonable number of points. That's what it is. I hope you enjoy trading. Have a lot of fun. Jai Hind.